Ever wanted to create outfits like the Witcher's armor, Blue Blood's tailcoat from Lies of P, or Casca's legendary armor from Berserk? Now you can. This is the digital clothing and armor tutorials FlipBox, a powerful collection built to teach you how to create stunning outfits inspired by the worlds you love. You'll learn how to design, simulate, sculpt, texture, and present clothing that looks and feels like it was pulled straight from a AAA studio. No mystery, no guesswork. Just clear, real-world workflows in software like Clo3D, Marvelous Designer, ZBrush, and Substance 3D Painter, showing you exactly how to craft professional garments that feel alive, weighted, and believable. And here's the part we're most proud of. You get a full collection for a fraction of the original price, and 10% of every purchase goes directly to guide dogs, helping people with vision loss gain independence, confidence, and freedom. The digital clothing and armor tutorials FlipBox. Available now only on FlippedNormals.com.